Hi, I'm Jessica Mele at therelaxedmarketer.com, and I'm going to show you how to install the plugin Really Simple SSL. Before we install it, I just want to talk about what it's going to do. Now, if you look at these two websites, the only difference is there's an S in the top one, which means it's secure. If someone goes to a website that doesn't have something like Really Simple SSL, they're going to get a message coming up saying that the site might not be secure. Are you sure you want to go there? You don't want that to happen when somebody's trying to go to your website, so you want to make it secure. There are a bunch of different ways to do it. Some cost money, but why do that when you can do it for free in about 10 seconds? So in order for you to have an S at the end of your URL, we're going to install something called Really Simple SSL. I'm going to show you how easy it is on this website. I haven't installed it yet, so I can show you. So let's go over to WordPress. We're going to go to Plugins, Add New. We're going to go here and we're going to type in Really Simple SSL. And you'll see it says install now because it's not installed. And you can see there are more than 5 million people using it, and it has 5 stars. It's really that easy. You just have to click a few buttons and you'll have an SSL certificate and you're done. And no one will get any messages when they try to go to your website. Next, you have to activate it. And then it's going to give us what might look like a strange message saying, you have to do a few things. You can take a look and read it, but most things are not going to be issues. It's only if you have a lot of links going to your website. So you can take a look, activate it, and that's it. I mean, you can go at the top, go to your thing and type in, HTTPS and the name of your website, but you'll notice that you don't even need to type that in. Obviously, you can just go to your website and you'll see that it's now secure. And that was it. That's all you have to do. It was free and it really is that easy. And now you're done.